Alright guys, welcome back. So it does come with an instruction manual that you probably will never use, but it does look useful in some ways. And it is well written so far. I haven't really read much of it because it's so easy to fly that you kind of just go straight into flying. So here's the plane itself. I'm not sure what's in there. Nothing important, but it looks pretty good. I didn't think the white one would look as good, but I'm probably gonna paint it in some other color, maybe gold, because I don't have anything gold, and I think that this would look really cool if you saw this from the bottom, like gold and maybe silver. That would look pretty cool. I don't think I have blue, but blue would be good too. And as you can see here, this is just a bunch of extra bits. The charger. And in the next
Likey.